look at me. Okay, if I got your attention. What you're gonna do is you're gonna lie. This is your big scene. This is your big scene. You're gonna lie here. No, don't get up yet. Just lie here first, and then you're gonna get up and go into the bathroom. No. Lie here. Come here. Okay. Now I think you should be like this. Hey, tail over here. Here. You're a good cat. Good cat. Good cat. There we go. Okay. Roll tape. Come on, Buster. Come on. Now you're gonna get up. No. Come on. Drink water. Pay attention. Come on. No. Okay. We'll cut kind of. Go out now. Come on. Good cat. Good. No. There you go. Okay. No. Where is it? Come on. Let's just stop because it's not going to work. The cat can't act.